Transform your old t-shirt into a trendy crop top in just 1 minute. Let's get started. First, grab an old t-shirt you're ready to reinvent. Any tee will do. This quick DIY fashion hack is perfect for giving new life to your wardrobe and embracing sustainable style. Now for the first step, the cut. Lay your t-shirt completely flat on a clean, even surface. Carefully mark your desired crop length. You can use a ruler or just eyeball it for a more raw look. Using sharp fabric scissors, cut straight across the t-shirt. Take your time to ensure an even line. Next, we'll perfect the fit with a simple tie. Gather the excess fabric at the front or side of your newly cut top. Tie a simple knot, or double knot it for extra security and a cute detail. And just like that, it's time for the big reveal. Put on your brand new crop top and admire your handiwork. Instant style upgrade. Pair it with high-waisted jeans, a skirt, or layer it over a dress for various looks. You've successfully transformed an old tee into a chic crop top. It's that simple. A fun, eco-friendly way to refresh your wardrobe in under a minute. What are you waiting for? Give this DIY crop top a try and rock your new style.